Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make puzzles like the one on the screen in Canva in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Okay, so for the project I'm using a square page 500 by 500. So you want to go into elements. Note that you can use images that you upload right from locally from your machine, but for the purposes of this video I'll use elements. So I want to work with this image, which is a square image. Let's expand it nicely so that it fits the page. Alright, that looks good. And then the option that I want also is again found in elements is this one. So to find that specific element you need to go into elements, right, and then you search for puzzle. Right, and then you filter by graphics. Right, and then you select the option that you want to work with. So that's how you find this particular element. Okay, so I'll expand it again so that it fits the whole page. Right, there we have it. So you can go ahead and change the color of that puzzle if you want, right? So let's just select a different color. That's how you change the color, but I'll stick with black for the demonstration. And that's it in a nutshell. So your picture is now ready for downloading. You can download it for printing purposes. I would recommend you download as PNG, right? Yeah, that option. So you download, print it out, and cut it out for your puzzles. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.